In today's video, we are going to check the monthly distance traveled by a particular vehicle or all the vehicles. So for that, first you have to log in to your user ID. After that, just click on statics. You will be getting the monthly monthly distance report here in statics. If you will click on this monthly distance, means in this page itself the window will be opened, and if you will click on this arrow button, means a new window will get open. So here you can check the distance traveled by each and every vehicle chart wise for every month. So if you will click or if you will choose the month here, it will give you the report. So this is the monthly distance report traveled by each and every vehicle which has been already onboarded for this particular user, that is Krupa. Also, you can export the complete chart in Excel, PDF or XLS format as well. By simply clicking on this option, a file will be downloaded to your download section in your PC. So here you can check the travel distance by each vehicle month wise and date wise. For this particular vehicle, on 2nd of April 2021, it has traveled this much kilometers. On 3rd April, like this, you can get the data. You will be also getting the scroll option here. You can scroll to the right side and you will get the data till end. Also, you will be getting the total kilometers report from this file itself. So likewise, you can check the performance of your vehicles for a particular month. So this is a very important report for the users. Thanks for watching.